Lauren White with Rufus Coffee Shop, and we are here in Las Vegas at IRE 2024, day 2 of the show, and we are here today with our friends Jobba. And Eugene, I'll have you introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Eugene Zakowski with Jobba Trade Technologies, Senior Product Specialist for the platform.
Wonderful. So what are you highlighting at this year's IRE?
Well, there's a lot new here inside of Jobba this year that we wanted to show our customers, and obviously IRE. And a couple of key new features I really would like to talk about. One would be Jobba Compass, which is our new AI-built self-help tool that's built into the platform.
Okay.
We're really excited about it. We really think it's going to help our customers, help empower their staff to learn these tools and actually take advantage of them. And the other one would be geo-mapping for scheduling, where we can actually use geolocation to see where we are and do some mapping and do some smart scheduling. Some really cool new features to help our contractors.
Wow, yeah. I mean, everybody's talking about AI now, and even we're incorporating it, trying to incorporate it a bit more. So this is really exciting.
Yeah, it's not just a buzzword anymore. We're really excited to bring it here.
Yeah, absolutely. So are you going to show us some stuff?
Yeah, let's go ahead and make that happen.
Cool.
So what we've done inside the platform is we're rolling this out for our customers right now, but essentially what you'll be able to do is anywhere you are in the application, if you get lost, if you get stuck, you'll be able to hit our little Jobba light bulb here, and we're going to pull up a self-help guide that'll really kind of just say, okay, what do you want to do? So we can do, Jobba understands exactly where we are. So right now we can say we want to add a new customer. So I'm going to go ahead and hit my little follow me button, which is the coolest one, which is why I'll show it last. But let's say you really learn well with video. You can click the button, it'll open up a video and show you what you're going to do.
Okay.
Maybe you like to read. You can pull up a user's manual, and the user's manual will walk you through. But obviously, the coolest one is the Follow Me feature. So if I use the Follow Me feature, the application will actually help you enter live data in the system click by click.
Wow.
So right now, as you can see, Compass is telling me to select clients. Now it's going to go ahead and tell me to hit that plus icon. It's going to tell me to add a new customer, and it'll actually help me walk through each field to enter the data. So now, no more calling support. We still want you to call support if you need help. Don't want to give that impression. But really the idea is support on demand for you and your team when you need it live.
Right. And that's so important because not everybody wants to read the directions.
Right. Not everybody wants to call anybody anymore or even email. So it's really, the idea is we want to empower our clients to take advantage and get that return on investment, get that help. And obviously everybody learns differently. So I think that the ability to learn what's more comfortable for you and how you learn is really the key here.
Right. We're all about that at Rufus Coffee Shop too.
Exactly.
Because you want to be able to access the information.
You guys were our inspiration, if we're going to be honest about it. You know what I mean? Definitely. So that's the Jobba Compass. Again, it'll walk you through. And as we roll this out, we're going to roll this out in all different parts of the application. Obviously, in the field, I think is going to have the greatest impact. Yeah. So if our technicians are out in the field and they forget how to add a picture, for example, they can click the button, Jobba Compass will come up and say, okay, click here, do this, do this, do this. And then now we really know our customers are going to help see better adoption and that return on the investment that they were looking for.
Yeah, definitely. No, that's great. Very cool.
So besides this feature, which I love this one, we're going to go ahead and show you guys geo-scheduling on our Power Board tool. So if you're unfamiliar with Jobba's Power Board tool, it's really a tool designed to help you schedule service tickets, work orders, and get that information out to your team. So one of the biggest problems, I'll show you a couple different things, we're really excited about this, but one of the biggest things that I've seen working with contractors is you make your schedule in a vacuum because you think you're going to walk in the morning and that schedule you made last night's going to work, but the reality is it doesn't. So what we've incorporated inside of Jobba is what we call pre-published. So essentially you can build your schedule, make changes, make adjustments, and nobody knows about it but you. So you can plan, you can make changes, you're not sending notifications out to your customers or your tech, getting everybody confused. So this pre-published status is a really good feature inside the system to help the schedulers really build a schedule that makes sense. But I think what's going to take it to the next level is addresses are great, blocks are great, but where am I? So if we go ahead and schedule our little visual scheduling tool here, Jobba will actually show me where my technicians are supposed to be. I can go ahead and click on my little toolbox here and say, okay, where are all of my tickets? Well, you know, it's going to be a little hard for for Peggy to get over here. So let's go ahead and see where everybody is. So I'm going to go ahead and select all my crews. And now I can say, okay, well, who's the closest? Well, Viola's really close here, so let's go ahead and schedule her. Make some adjustments, set my duration, and I can keep scheduling this way. So not only am I able to schedule people and get things done and make sure I'm not overlapping, I'm also scheduling smart because I know it's the closest person at the closest time.
Right.
So once we're happy and once we're ready, we hit our little publish icon, and now everybody gets their notifications because I'm sure this is what I want to set up.
Right. And, people are working smarter because they're not going all over the place and wasting time driving.
Exactly. Wasting time, wasting gas, being able to respond to customers quicker. That customer satisfaction is always a big thing. Right. So we really feel these tools will help empower our contractors to make good scheduling decisions. We really feel that Jobba Compass is going to help our contractors get our users to get that return on investment by empowering them to keep learning the tools and keep going forward.
Absolutely. And I love that it's all just clickable too. It's very easy, looks easy to use, right?
Exactly. Yeah. It's all really built with the end user in mind. I think that's our biggest focus is we are a company that prides ourselves on working with our contractors. So we don't just make these decisions in a vacuum. We sit there, we take input from our contractors, we record them, we have them involved in the process. Like, hey, does this make sense the way we're building this? Right. And that's really the focus right now on that platform is helping to get that contractor feedback every day when they see a new release.
That's really key. That's huge. Very cool. Well, thank you. This was great. I love it. And enjoy the rest of the show.
You too. Thank you so much.
Thank you.